Hi guys and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, we have shown on how you can set place for a product. Now let's get into this video. The place feature enables you to set position of a product on the map. First, you have to set Google Map API key. You go over Woocommerce settings, booking and rental, general, Google Maps API key tab. You click here to read tutorials to create Google Map API keys. After creating Google Map API key, you add it in this field. Then you add place for a product. You go over products, add new. Let's go to place tab. You add the address here. After that, you go to global settings to make some settings for the place feature. Let's go to Show Place tab. You tick the checkbox if you want to show Place tab in the product detail page. You can see the Place tab here. The position of Place tab is behind the Extra tab. If you want it to show in the first position, you go to Global Settings, Insert 9. Then you insert 10 in Position Display field in Extra tab. The Place tab is the first position. If you want it to show behind Description tab, you insert 11. You can see the Place tab is behind the Description tab. If you want it to display behind Review tab, you insert 31. The Place tab is behind the Review tab. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.